In this video, I will show you how to post Reels on Instagram. It's very simple. Let's start. First, open your Instagram and go to this plus sign below and tap on Reels. Inside this feature, you will have lot of options to do. You can record in 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and even 3 minutes. And you can record yourself by just long hold record button, just like this one. Let's try. There's a lot of features you can do here in Instagram Reels. After that, you can also insert music without getting copyrighted. It is part of Instagram features. Now select this one and you can adjust the sound. Now to post it, just click next. And you can also tag your friends and you can add your location. And lastly, click share. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.